Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm going to do technical analysis, see where they're going to move. I still think Bitcoin is in this B2C corrective wave that should be taking us down to 25K. So we're going to monitor it closely. Bitcoin, Ethereum trades. You can watch me trade. I trade from my phone. I use tradingview.com. You can learn all of this in the crypto master course. The link is number 1 in the description, jamescryptoguru.com. You can learn how to trade from your phone like me. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technical. Bitcoin stable coining. Pretty much no real movement for months. Like we're at the same price we first hit back in April. We first hit this price this year back in March. So we've just been sideways moving actually for almost like some pumps, but almost the sideways move for now 150 days. So almost half a year of sideways moving. And when you see this bigger picture, you can see Bitcoin from the beginning of the year 2023 bouncing on this trend line, and it looks like we're coming down to that trend line. So my goal is still to bounce and then short it down to 25K. We're in this ABC corrective wave. We can get a bounce to B wave. So I think my trade is to short Bitcoin from 30K, come down to 27K, catch the bounce, and then most likely close at 30K to come down to C, all the way down to 25K, which should be the corrective wave. So my goal is still the same trade as before. Daily is oversold heading down. There was some volume spikes. Weekly overbought. No, over midway heading up. 4 hourly. I would still take this trade. It came very close to activating yesterday. It came up to 29,674 when the trade was to activate at 30,000. So very close to activating. But I would keep the same trade setups. Opening this trade short at 30,077, stop loss 30,400, and take profit at the trend line 27,000. So 8.65, risking $330, 333 to make 2,880 with no leverage, with 10x leverage 28,000, 100x leverage 280,000. That's the short I would take on Bitcoin. Then I would flip long from 27K from this support line, 27,449, stop loss 26,947, and take profit 32K. These are the two trades I would take for Bitcoin. But again, my goal is to short it here, go long here, and then short down to 25K. So we've got to be careful on that B corrective wave. That's on Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin under this video, in the description down below, go down under the video. 1, take the courses to learn how, if you've been losing money in the markets, if you want to learn how to set up trades, if you don't know about crypto or how to trade it or how to open longs or shorts or how to buy crypto and store it. Number 1, crypto master course. 2, trading on Bybit using this link. You get a $30,000 bonus when you trade using this link. And I do all my trading on Bybit. It's the second biggest exchange. And 3, join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you. Let's go into Ethereum now. Ethereum also stable coining, still pulling back, still holding this descending triangle. This trend line broke out, coming back, retesting, but most likely failing in my opinion, down to 1770. So my long on Ethereum is also on this long trend line that started at the beginning of the year. So when I zoom out on Ethereum, you can see we started this in 2023 and we've been climbing. And it made a lower high here, and coming down to this trend line. I do expect a bounce on this trend line, but I do think it will fail after a while. But a strong bounce will occur at 1774, stop loss 1734, take profit 27. So risking, it's 25 risk to reward ratio, 59% profit with no leverage, 10x leverage, 590% profit, 100x leverage, 5,900. Again, it opens at 1774. Those are the two trade setups. And I've also on Bybit, once you sign up to Bybit, in this account I have 325,500. FXS pumped a little bit. I've got 166,000 US dollars. Doge 44,000, no movement on Doge. MCRT 24,000, not much movement. Bitcoin 12,800, a little bit of a movement up on Bitcoin. I'm DCAing into Bitcoin. I've got buy orders going down 25K, 28K, 300. I'm going to add just another 1,000. I keep buying I keep DCAing back into Bitcoin. So I added another 1,000 to Bitcoin just there. And FXS, I've got 11,400, up 4% again last night. Amazing. We've made quite a bit. I made quite a bit of money already on FXS, just like maybe 20% or 30% on 7. That's like $2,000, $3,000 from last week. FXS is pumping quite strong. I've got buy orders for FXS. Oh, actually no. I'm gonna DCA into FXS another $1,000. Actually, let's do $2,000 because even though it did pump, I think FXS is showing strength here. So those are all coins I'm buying, and that's Bitcoin. Again, the link's in the description. Sign up to Bybit. It's the second biggest exchange. You just saw me buy $1,000 of Bitcoin, $2,000 of FXS in 1 second. Thank you for watching, everyone. Subscribe, comment down below anything you want me to analyze. In the next video, I'm going to do Bitcoin and the tech stocks. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.